Hey there, homeowners! Looking to maximize your property's worth? Welcome to Landzille, where we help you build equity through smart improvements. Today I'm diving into some high-impact upgrades that can boost your property's value and give you a fantastic return on investment. Ready? Let's go. First up, let's talk about curb appeal. Simple things like a fresh coat of paint, landscaping, or a new front door can make a huge difference. Think of it as the first impression your property makes. You want it to be a good one. Next, assess the interior of your home. Kitchens and bathrooms are key areas that buyers focus on. Updating these spaces with modern fixtures, energy-efficient appliances, and stylish finishes can really pay off. Now let's discuss budgeting. It's crucial to plan your renovations carefully. Focus on cost-effective improvements that offer the best return. For example, minor kitchen remodels often provide a better ROI than major overhauls. Always keep your budget and potential ROI in mind. Timing is everything when it comes to property improvements. Pay attention to market trends in your area. If the market is hot, even smaller upgrades can yield significant returns. Conversely, in a slower market, you might want to be more selective about which projects to tackle. Don't forget, these improvements aren't just about immediate value. They contribute to building equity over the long term. Equity is the difference between what you owe on your mortgage and the property's current market value. By making strategic upgrades, you're essentially adding to your investment portfolio. So whether you're planning to flip a property or simply want to increase its value over time, smart improvements are the way to go. Before I wrap up, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more valuable property tips. From Landzille, thanks for watching and happy renovating. #building equity, #property. Improvements, #home renovations. #increase property value, #real estate tips, #Landzille, #home investment, #real estate advice, #property development, #smart improvements.